Defense.
Teresa Garcia for the defendant.
Are you Julie Clark?
I'm Julie Clark.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Julie Clark who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 6231B for the offense of forgery of a commercial instrument of check on
Yes.
October 24th, 2019 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State.
Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Julie Clark, defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of November 2023 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, state waives all the documents.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Defense, any objections to the state's waivers?
No.
All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It's to alter the amendment and extend for 1 year to reevaluate for DDRF and the mental health initiative while in custody and remain in custody pending transfer to the appropriate program.
That's Judge. That's the agreement that we had talked about.
All right. Ms. Clark, is this what you want?
Yes.
All right. So what I can do is I can extend you for the 1 year. You're waiting custody until DDRF, or either I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 18 months.
No, I'll take the deal.
All right. We'll extend for 1 year. Alternate amend to include DDRF. Is there anything else?
No, Judge, that is it.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Clark, if there's anything that you need to let the court know. We don't know if you need help, if you don't tell us, you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks, Judge. Thank you.
Have a seat.
So whenever you're ready with the paperwork, we'll proceed. And Deputy Laura, the following people are going to be brought back on Monday.
Okay.
And let me let you know who they are. And that's the 5th. So it will be from page 30. Raymond Foose. Frank Sanchez. Virgilio Balsadua. Jacob Cavazos on the next page. Mark Ivy, let me see about that because he's still in federal custody. Yates will be for tomorrow. I'm sorry, the 5th. Orlando Aldino, the 5th. Daniel Hernandez, just remain seated. We're going to give you a reset form. You're going to have to be back here on February 5th. Your attorney did not appear. On the next page, Paul Cantu will be for February 5th. Gus Gallegos. That will also be February 5th. And Johnny Limon, the attorney will have to place that back on the docket himself. Yes.
Something about Rock Chavez.
Rock Chavez, I think that was heard.
It's 31.
Page 31. All right, thank you. Yes, March 18th.
Ms. Clark. Please stay still, please.
All right, Daniel Hernandez. Deputy Laura, if you can give him this, and if you could pull the file on Daniel Hernandez for me. All right, and Mr. Hernandez, if he's your court appointed attorney, if he doesn't show on the fifth and you wish to have another attorney appointed, we'll do that.
Yeah, I haven't even been able to get a hold of them.
All right, so when you come back on the fifth, we're gonna make sure we take care of that, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, are the parties ready on Barnes?
Remind me again.
Here, yes. Deputies, for the new year, they requested that defense attorneys be on this side for security reasons. I don't know if that means so that you all are protected or if it's for everybody else, so.
Yeah, they need to be protected from me, Jen.
All right, court is calling 2023 CR 11320, 11321, 11322, 2023 CR 4301, and 4302. That party is announced for the record for the state. Defense,
Meredith Chacon for Mr. Barnes, Your Honor.
and are you Mr. Barnes? Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the scope is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, no.
Mr. Barnes, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand them?
No.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented and cause number ending in 11320? That has an enhancement allegation.
11320, yes, Your Honor, we're proceeding with a repeater that would make that a state jail. Repeater, which is a third degree.
And I explained that to my client. He'll be pleading true to the repeater on that particular charge.
All right, and in cause number 2023 CR 11321, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented in that cause number?
Your Honor, we're proceeding on count one with the repeater, waiving count two.
Any objection?
That's the second degree, correct, Jason?
It makes it a second.
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. He is going to plead true on that repeater.
And cause number ended in 11322, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving. But we are proceeding on count 1, 2, and 3. And that keeps that at a first degree count.
And I've gone over that with my client. That is her grade.
And then in the cause number ended in 4301, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? And then in cause number ended in 4302, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Barnes, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in the cause number ended in 4302? The offense charge is unauthorized use of vehicle. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 11320 It's an unauthorized use with a repeater. That puts your range of punishment at anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 11321, it's a felony in possession of a weapon with a repeater count. The range of punishment for that offense with the repeat enhancement allegation is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 11322, that is an aggravated assault against a public servant. That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 4301, that's an evading arrest detention with vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And all of the cause numbers, if you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And all of the cause numbers, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your
Mr. Barnes, and all of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 4302, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years. All of the cases will be running concurrent. State is taken in consideration 2024 CR 0918, night mag numbers 733-464 and 460. And the cause number ending in 4301, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. All of the cases will run concurrent. The same cause numbers will be taken in consideration as in 4302. And the cause number ending in 11322. State is proceeding on counts 1, 2, and 3. Punishment is to be assessed at 12 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. All of the cause numbers will run concurrent. The same cause numbers will be taken in consideration as in 4302. And the cause number ending in 11321. State is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 12 years in the prison. Cause numbers are running concurrently. The same numbers are being taken in consideration as in 4302. And the cause number ending in 11320. State is requesting your punishment be assessed at 10 years. You agree that you've been previously convicted before of a felony. The cause numbers will all run concurrent. The same cause numbers will be taken in consideration as in 4302. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 11320, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And how do you plead to the enhancements? True or not true?
True.
And cause number ending in 11321, how do you plead to count 1?
Guilty.
And how do you plead to the enhancement?
True.
And cause number ending in 11322, how do you plead to count 1,
Guilty.
count 2,
Guilty.
count 3?
Guilty.
And in the cause number ending in 4301, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And in the cause number ending in 4302, how do you plead? State any evidence to support the defendant's guilty pleas?
No objection, Your Honor, and I did go over all of the attachments with my client.
All right. Mr. Barnes, did you review the documents entitled waiving consent to stipulations and testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate
Yes, ma'am.
places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in, the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find in each cause number that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. And cause number ending in 11320, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancements true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Honor, I believe he's taken responsibility. He's pled guilty to everything, and so I would hope that the court would follow the plea bargain and allow us to move these cases today.
All right, then in the cause number ending in 11320, the court is finding you guilty. Enhancements true. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11321, 2023 CR 4301, 2023 CR 11322, and 2023 CR 4302. Take in consideration night mag numbers 733464, 733460, and 2024 CR 0918. Is there anything with regards to sentencing in that cause? Anything else?
No,
And that cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Next, we'll proceed to cause number ending in 11321. Right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Jason. Are you ready to proceed with sentencing?
yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, I've already said it.
All right, and that cause number, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. Court is finding that enhancement true. Court will sentence you to 12 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11322, 4301, 11320, 4302. Take in consideration night mag number 733464, 733460, 2024 CR 0918. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we'll proceed in the cause number ending in 11322. Thank you all for the highlights. It makes it so much easier to read. All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of count 1, count 2, and count 3. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 12 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with the following cause numbers: 2023 CR 11321, 4301, 11320, 4302. Take in consideration NIMAG number 733464, 733460, and 2024 CR 0918. Anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we're going to proceed with cause number 4301. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
Court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11321, 11322, 11320, 4302. Take in consideration NIMAG numbers 733464, 460, and 2024 CR 0918. Got it. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, you're going to proceed in the cause number ending in 4302. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 11321, 4301, 11320, 11322, NIMAG number 733464, 460, and 2024 CR 0918. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
I already gave it. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, and because all the cases are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
41, ma'am.
All right, at this point in time, really, there is nothing I can say to you, right?
No, this broke me right here.
All
This is
right.
my first aggravated time, and I was hoping to get something lesser, but I mean, I'm gonna cop up to what I'm a man before anything, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not like, really like,
So here's,
this really broke me, you know what I mean? Like, right at night time, and I got my mom, my brother, you know what I mean? So it's not, I'm too old for this, I'm too smart. I build houses, I build restaurants.
so you're gonna have to do better, because
So
otherwise,
I have no reason.
all right,
I shouldn't be in this trouble, you know what I mean?
Yeah. because here's the thing, at the end of the day, if you don't change your ways, you're gonna end up being in the prison for the rest of your life. You're gonna look up
I look around me when I'm in jail and I see 6-year-olds, 65-year-olds, like, man, I don't wanna be like that. I'm too
Well,
smart.
here's the thing, don't be that person then.
I'm not, once I'm,
Did you ever watch, what is it called? The Shawshank Redemption?
yeah,
Did you see, there's a scene in there where this old guy has been in prison for so long, he doesn't want to go on parole.
Yeah.
They sit him on parole
And
and he ends up killing himself.
I kill himself because that's his life, that's what he knows.
Don't be that person.
I'm
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, let's talk about that. Judge's docket here gave us two very different flavors of accountability. One involving Julie Clark, who had to face the music on a probation violation, and another with a much heavier set of pleas from Mr. Barnes that ended in stacked felony convictions. Ark's case was relatively narrow but still serious. She'd been on deferred adjudication for forgery since 2019 and violated by failing to report to her supervision officer in November 2023. When asked how she pled to the violation, she admitted true, knowing the judge could have revoked her and sent her to state jail for up to 2 years. Instead, the agreement worked out between defense and prosecution was to extend her supervision for another year, reevaluate her mental health program and DDRF placement, and keep her in custody until a treatment transfer opened up. The judge walked her through the options, 18 months flat time or the extension with treatment, and she wisely chose the latter. The exchange was calm, almost routine, but underscored a key point. Deferred adjudication is only as good as the effort you put into it, and the court is willing to bend toward rehabilitation, but not forever. Barnes's case, on the other hand, was a marathon of serious charges: unauthorized use of a vehicle, felon in possession of a weapon, aggravated assault on a public servant, and evading arrest, each with repeat offender enhancements. He pled guilty across the board, admitted the repeaters were true, and listened as the court carefully explained the range of punishments, anywhere from 2 years in state jail up to 99 years or life on the assault count. The plea agreement landed him concurrent sentences, the longest being 12 years on the aggravated assault and weapons charges with deadly weapon findings attached. He waived appeal rights as part of the deal, and the judge made sure he understood that as a convicted felon, he could never possess weapons or ammunition again. What stood out most was his own statement at the end. He said this broke him, that he was too old and too smart to keep ending up in prison, and that seeing older men locked up made him realize he didn't want that life. The judge, in a candid moment, told him he'd better make changes or risk being one of those men he feared becoming. The overall atmosphere moved from procedural to sobering. Clark's case showed the system's willingness to emphasize treatment over punishment when someone stumbles but is still reachable. Barnes's case was weightier, with long sentences, multiple felony convictions, and a heartfelt admission from the defendant that he was at a crossroads. The judge's reference to the Shawshank Redemption drove the point home. Spend too long in the system, and it can become your whole life. Time to break this one down. This hearing highlighted the two paths probationers and defendants can take: rehabilitation with strict oversight or lengthy prison time for repeated serious offenses. Both outcomes carried accountability, but one left a sliver of hope: